Hi, today we want to talk about home buying process. As a home buyer, there are some key factors that you need to take into consideration in the home buying process. The first is, what kind of home are you seeking? Is it a townhouse or single family? What number of bedrooms and baths should it need? And even in that, you actually have to think about each of those factors by thinking about the homes that you've had, that you maybe have lived in, say like your parents' home if you're a first-time home buyer, so that you can have perspective of how big a kitchen is required, what size of yard is needed, do you really need a garage or don't need a garage, and perhaps if you're actually from the local area, do you know what part of town you'd like to live in? Because honestly, if you're moving into an area, you may need the counsel of a realtor just to even understand how to find information about schools, the crime mapping app that is so popular these days, and perhaps other things such as where restaurants are, jobs that you may be looking at and things of that nature. But having defined what type of home you're seeking and perhaps what part of town, the next step really might be to actually get a hold of a mortgage officer. Now, if you don't know anything about mortgages or mortgage officers, then you really want to jump to the step of finding a good qualified realtor in the market that you're shopping. Because all good realtors will have a list of mortgage companies that they have worked with regularly, that have competent mortgage officers, that have the competitive rates, that have programs that match whether you're a first-time home buyer, a VA buyer, perhaps someone with a low down payment, or even maybe someone with very good cash reserves and would like the kind of mortgage that would be the lowest house payment. But either way, you want to be qualified for a mortgage very early in the process so that as you're looking for homes, you're looking at homes that actually match the value that you are able to buy. Because think about this. If you're looking at $100,000 homes and you can actually afford a $300,000 home, you also will buy a lot different kind of house if you know what you're qualified for. Plus, you don't want to be disappointed looking at 300 when you only afford 200,000. Now, there are other key steps that we'll talk about in future videos, such as how to pick a realtor, how to look at homes. But for now, may you have a very good day.